Friday, June 6, 2025. Saint Norbert. Focus. Follow me. In today's social media driven world, we are often consumed by the desire of validation. We eagerly post every little achievement and count likes and comments. Jesus' interaction with Peter presents a stark contrast. Jesus asks Peter 3 times, "Do you love me?" It appears that he wanted to erase the stain of Peter's earlier triple denial, as he needed to prepare Peter for his imminent role as head of the early church. By ascertaining Peter's love, Jesus is empowering him to fulfill his responsibility of feeding his lambs, nurturing converts, and with spiritual guidance and support. He then instructs Peter, "Tend my sheep." Provide direction to disciples to walk the right path and avoid spiritual pitfalls. Lastly, he tells Peter, "Feed my sheep." Teach them to live lives that honor God. Finally, Jesus simply says, "Follow me." Peter must remain rooted in the teachings and example of Jesus, his master, if he is to be an effective shepherd who can feed and tend the sheep and lambs. Do we claim to love Jesus? Then we must stay close to him. As his followers, we must be faithful in prayer and accept the responsibility that comes with it. That is sharing his love with others, especially in word and action. It helps to remember his steadfast love towards those who fear him. Fruit. I will shift my focus from seeking worldly validation to embracing Jesus' call to follow him.